like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me, but I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen. Just get ready for work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. There's something about that work, 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 work. Na 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 na. When you walk out, na 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 na. Before the tables turn, 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 turn.
Click, it's your girl Maddie, and I'm back with another video for you guys. As you can see from the title down below, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn a maxi skirt into a cute little tube top dress. So if you guys are interested in watching this video, stay tuned. Let's get into the video. Well, guys, as you can see, this is just what the maxi skirt looks like before it is cut. It's super long, it looked granny-ish, and we cannot have that. So let's get ready to transform this little maxi dress into a tube top dress. Way cuter and way shorter. Okay, right here, I'm just getting prepared to cut it. Got my scissors ready. Let me smooth it out real quick. And I'm just going straight across towards the bottom. Let's go ahead and start cutting. I did mess up a little bit, but that's fine. Look how I did my tongue. What's wrong with me? Yes, from granny-ish to thottish. Now let's try this sucker on. Let's get it. I am back. Just look at it. Okay, twirl, twirl, spin, ballerina. Yes, girl, yes. Now all you gotta do is throw you on a jean jacket, some slippers, and you good. Cut. This is the new length. It's kind of short, but not really. As long as it's covering everything. Bam. And you can't even tell that it's a maxi dress. So where there's a skirt still, and now it's just shorter. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. If you decide to make your own maxi dress into a tube top dress, be sure to tag me. I would love to see the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you're new here, come join the family, the Maddie.